Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make your profile public on Steam. So all you have to do is launch the application on your PC and sign into your account. And then once you sign into your account, all you have to do is click on the Steam option at the top left corner. And then from the menu that appears, click on Settings. And then from here, select Account and then choose Privacy Settings. Click on that. Now from here, you should find the option My Profile. So for me, it was on private. Now, if you'd like to make it public, all you have to do is click on the drop-down arrow. And then from the three options that appear, select Public. And then give it a few seconds and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it. Additionally, you can just customize all these settings to suit your needs. So if you want your game details to be public, you can simply click on the arrow, select Public, and it will get saved. Also the friend list and also the inventory and any other things that you'd like to customize in this particular page. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.